Hello my friends and gemstone lovers. In this video, we'll explore some simple ways to test black diamond, also known as carbonado, at home without the need for expensive equipment. The first method is the hardness test. Black diamond is one of the hardest materials on earth. If you try to scratch glass or ceramic with it and it leaves a clear mark, that's a strong sign it's genuine. The second method is testing weight and density, since carbonado is usually heavier than other stones of the same size. Just compare it with a similar stone and you'll notice the difference. The third method is the light and transparency test. Black diamond is usually opaque, but when you shine a strong light on it, you may see small flashes or distinctive white reflections. The fourth method is the fog test. If you breathe gently on the stone and the fog disappears quickly, that's another clue it's real diamond, because diamond doesn't retain moisture for long. Finally, use a 10x magnifying lens. You'll notice that black diamond has an irregular surface with a special luster that sets it apart from glass or quartz. Of course, these methods are not 100% scientific, but they're very helpful in distinguishing real black diamond from imitations. And if you want full confirmation, the best choice is to take the stone to a certified gem expert. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to discover more gemstone secrets.